Right, I'm going to demonstrate CoCo and how you can use it to add images. So I'm going to click Get Started, and I'm going to give it a page name. Let's give it a page name of 01 image test and click Continue. I'll add some elements, doesn't really matter how many, and then in the first element I'm going to click on it and choose Image. Okay, so first of all, one of the options here is the type of image. You can either have a non-resizable image, so this is like a thumbnail image that you can't click on to expand or enlarge, and just sits in the page. The second option, an enlargeable image, will give you a thumbnail that sits in the page, but you can also click on that to open a larger original version of that in a separate tab. I'm just going to stick with the non-resizable image only, because I think that's probably the most common, unless you've got large diagrams or images that you need to view at a larger resolution. There's a default image URL there, but I'm going to grab something that I prepared earlier. Okay, so I've put that in there and clicked refresh. It's an image, a lovely image of a ladybird. So obviously that's large, too large for a page in fact. So what do you do with something like this? You scroll down and you can change the alignment. So I'm going to choose left, actually I'm going to choose right alignment, and you get a little preview here with some text and an image, and this just shows you how the text around about that image interacts with the image. So how is it laying out? The main options are either left aligned or right aligned. Alternatively, you can have it sort of in the middle with the text either side, or either before or after it. Well, let's go with the right aligned for now. And then if you scroll a bit further down, you get some optional settings, which includes a few things. So first of all, it's detected the image size, which as you can see is large, it's particularly wide. Now you get the opportunity to edit that in this image resizer box under 4B. So again, the original size is displayed there in pixels. You can then choose to use half that size divided by 2, so both those numbers are halved. A third of that size or a quarter, and you'll notice that the numbers can get a bit messy with the decimal places. I'm actually going to go with the half size. I'm going to click on use these values, and you'll notice when I click on this it takes the two values for width and height and it adds them to the thumbnail size over here on the left. Also, if you scroll up, you'll notice that the image itself has been shrunk to half the size as well, so you can get an idea of how big it will appear on the page. I like that, I'm going to go with that. But just to say, if I was to go with, say, the third size, and you'll see the preview is even smaller now, it's possible to overwrite the numbers, so you can round these up or down. If I wanted to round that up to 192, I could. But I will go with the half, that's what I want. Put a caption in, so let's just put ladybird. And then the alt tag, it's always good to use this for accessibility reasons. So if somebody has got their images switched off in a browser, this is the text that will display in place of the image. Alternatively, if someone's using assistive technology such as a screen reader, this is what will get read out to them. So I will put image of a ladybird on a leaf, and then I'm going to click add. And there we go, you can see that the image has been added with the caption and the alt tag. So you can click OK and it will add it to your page, and that's how you do it. Obviously you would then create the page and save it as an HTML file.